Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to install and use the Traceroute tool on Ubuntu, which works just like Tracert on Windows. It's a simple but powerful way to trace the route your internet packets take to reach a destination like Google. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your terminal. And then we'll begin by updating the system package list to make sure everything is fresh and up to date. So simply run the command that you can find in the description box below and then hit enter. After that, enter your password if prompted and let the update finish. Once the update is complete, install the Traceroute tool using the command you can find in the description box below. Just simply paste this and hit enter, then just simply wait for a few seconds. Now, once it is installed, you can run the traceroute command followed by the domain or IP address. So, for example, to trace the path to Google, just type this particular command over here. You can just change the URL or the website name and add whatever you want. For the demonstration, I'm just simply using google.com. Hit enter. Then it'll show you each hop your request takes from your system to Google's servers. You will see the IP address for each route it passes through, along with the response time. And if you want to see only the IP address without the domain name, you can use the -n flag like this. You can just simply copy the command and hit enter. This is helpful when you're just interested in the raw IP data. So that's it. Now you know how to install and use Traceroute on Ubuntu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.